Hello everyone. In this video we're going to see how we can share our Oppo phone screen with a smart TV. In this case, I'll be sharing the screen from my Oppo phone to my LG TV. But in any case, whether it's an LG, Samsung, or any other brand, the process is pretty much the same, since screen sharing is currently activated by default on TVs. So basically, if your TV isn't too old and is relatively new, this feature should already be activated from the factory, and we won't have to do anything at all on the TV itself to share the screen from our Oppo phone. In this case, I'll be using a Reno 13. The easiest way is to access it through the quick settings. To do this, we swipe down from the top in the main menu to bring up the quick settings and then swipe again to show all the quick settings. On this screen, we need to swipe left to access the second set of quick settings and find the icon that says screen projection. Once we enter, as you can see, it tells us that screen projection lets you project the phone screen onto a TV, set-top box or projector, so you can view your phone content on a larger screen. Then below, we have different options for what we want or don't want to project. We tap accept and continue. As you can see, at first it seems like nothing's happening, but then we go back to the quick settings, head back to screen projection, and as you can see, the phone tells us we need to activate the quick connection, so we tap activate. As you can see, once again, nothing's happening. The phone seems to have done nothing, but that's because we need to accept it first and then activate it, okay? Just so you know. Now we're going back to screen projection, and as you can see, it does show us it's looking for nearby devices. So we click here on search nearby devices, turn on notifications, and click accept and continue. Now you can see it brings up the televisions or devices we have nearby. In this case, I've got the Xiaomi TV stick connected to my TV at home, but it shows me the TV directly, which is the 65-inch OLED DCX. So, since I'm using the TV right now, we're going to project it onto the TV. As you can see, we have different options. We can project the entire screen or just a single app, in this case, the entire screen. It says connecting. The TV asks if we want to accept the connection from the Oppo Reno 13, and we click accept. And as you can see, in a moment it's going to show up. There it is. It's already showing up, so we're going to click accept and continue. And as you can see, the phone is already projected on the TV. With this process, as you can see, we'll have full screen mirroring of our phone on the TV. As you can see, there's a tiny bit of delay, but not much. In this case, honestly, the delay is quite small. When I move the screen, it almost instantly moves on the TV. So, well, with this, we can watch the content of our mobile on the TV. There are apps that won't be compatible, not because of the phone or TV, but because they're apps that don't allow screen sharing. So don't stress over it, because many times it's not an issue with your mobile or TV. One thing we'll definitely be able to do is see our entire photo gallery on the TV. So if we've been on a trip or want to play something from our gallery on the TV, we'll be able to do it much more easily. In fact, if I play a video right now like this one, it'll play without any problems, both vertically and horizontally. As you can see, it's not full screen, but that's a TV setting, which I'm going to show you now. This setting has to do with the TV, okay? As you can see, with LG, we have different options like moving the screen wherever we want, okay? As you can see, the video continues and I'm moving the screen if I want it more to the left or more to the right. In fact, earlier it appeared on the left because it was easier for you to see, but I can move it all over the TV. If I want to see it in full screen, I have to tap up here. Let's see if it goes to full screen. Here it is. And as you'll see now, the video plays without any issues in full screen. If I want it completely full, then I just go to the phone, tap here, remove this, and as you can see, it plays without any issues. From here, I could also resize it. I can set it to 2 different sizes, and as I mentioned, move it or simply close and end the connection. If I wanted to end the connection between the phone and the TV, as you can see, we can do it directly from the X button on the LG TV itself. But if in this case we might have a TV that doesn't allow it, we can also do it from the phone. We'll just need to open the quick settings, and where it says projection, tap stop. In this case, the projection stops directly and that's it. Well guys, that's it for the video. As always, I hope I've been able to help you. If so, don't forget to leave a like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next video.